Good morning. Don't look at my pillow. Look at how I was watching my show last night. I started My Hero Academia. It's 8:30. Amanda and I have been working out at her house because we're a little nervous about working out at the gym or just seeing our family, and with COVID cases going up. So we're going to Amanda's house to do a little workout. And I keep forgetting to take my vlog camera. So I'm gonna take my camera. You guys are gonna come. At least it's sunny, but my whole car is frozen. So bad. I warm out my car. I'd rather sit in the car and freeze than walk out, turn my car on and come back out later. I'm obsessed with these little things. I got them in my Thrive box. Ugh, they're so good. Oh! Not bad. Bandier sent me leggings and a bra. You can see my abs.
You're flexing?
Yeah.
TikTokers do where they'll be like, a morning in my life, and then they like set the phone down and they pretend to wake up. They're like,
I literally this morning. Happy Vlogmas Day 1 million. My room's a disaster because I filmed yesterday, but I just went to the thrift store and I found this Tommy Bahama set. I've got my leggings on still. I found this Tommy Bahama set for $10 and it's 100% silk, and it is so bougie to me, and I think it's gonna be so cute in the summertime. I wanted to show you guys. I need to take a picture to send to Amanda. Amanda and I were supposed to work out today, and then I got to her house and we were like, let's just go on a walk to wake up a little bit. We went on a walk. As soon as we got halfway around, we were like, let's just go to Salvation Army. This is so cute. Look how cute that is. I literally look like a little rich girl. I am a little rich girl. What am I saying? I'm in a $10 silk suit. And this is literally new with tags. Just wait. Just wait, you people. Tommy Bahama. Pants will be good, just like on their own little linen pants. They're a little big. I can just wear them like baggier, it's fine. They're so cute. But then I want to show you the other thing I got. Then I got this little dress it's from Jones, New York. It was $10.99. This was the one that was $10. This one was also too good. It's kind of like a tunic almost, or like you could do it for the trend I said I wasn't gonna hop on with the dress over the pants. Maybe this makes me do it. Okay, so you wear it and like don't button it all the way down. I know this is gonna be like my favorite in the summer, cause see how the bottoms go like so open? Damn, she's cute. I love these like giant slip dresses. Very, very cute. I'm very happy about this dress. I've seen one of these like on Zara and I've wanted it, so I'm really happy about this one for 10 bucks. Double thumbs up. Very cute. And then the last two things I got are actually for Brandon. And then I literally thrifted a balaclava, you guys. Like, I found a balaclava at the thrift store and it was $2.99. All the hats were $2.99. Yeah, so I found this balaclava. Am I a good actress? SpongeBob hat, but it has holes for the eyes, and Brandon always wears ski masks, and I thought this was too freaking funny to not get for $3. And it's not even just like a gag gift, because I don't really like gag gifts, because it's like, what are you gonna do with it? Like, just put it in your house and let it sit there. Brandon will actually wear that. And then I also found this ski mask for Brandon. He'll wear those, or I got them for him, but the lady there definitely thought I was planning on robbing a bank or something.